is up, guys? I just wanted to check in and I hope you guys all had a great week and it was as eventful as it could be. I am back today with an episode of Cooking with Courtney, and today we are actually going to take it up a notch and we are going to make a chicken dish, which is one of my favorites. It is super easy to make. All you need is chicken, vegetables, and rice or noodles or whatever you prefer. Yeah, and then I decided to also make a dessert, which is also very simple. It is Oreo cake pops. Let's get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you tried the recipes, and I decided to share with you a quote that is especially helpful going through this time where we don't really have that much motivation, but here is a little motivation. You're going to go through tough times. That's life. But I say nothing happens to you, it happens for you. See the positive in negative events.